Hello and welcome to $3 TV. I am Vishaka Thakur. Bitcoin's recent relief rally hit a roadblock at $100,000, prompting a sharp decline to sub $96,000. Well, last week BTC corrected from $108,000 to $92,000 post FOMC meeting, but managed temporary rebounds, peaking near $100,000 on Christmas Eve before retracing again. Altcoins, including Link, AVAX, ADA, and SUI, saw significant losses. Digital asset ETP suffered a $17.7 billion AUM drop, exacerbated by the Federal Reserve's hawkish outlook. Additionally, $308 million in inflows last week were overshadowed by $576 million in December 19th outflows, totaling $1 billion in outflows during the last 2 days of the week. Moving on, MicroStrategy continues its Bitcoin acquisition streak, purchasing 5,262 Bitcoin for $561 million between December 16 to 22 at a record high average price of $106,662 per coin. So co-founder Michael Saylor announced the acquisition, bringing the company's total holdings to 444,262 Bitcoin, acquired at an aggregate cost of $27.7 billion, averaging $62,257 per Bitcoin. Now, despite BTC's recent correction, the company's stash is now valued at $42.6 billion. Alongside this purchase, MicroStrategy has called a special meeting of shareholders to discuss its Bitcoin-focused 21x21 plan, aiming to streamline capital raising efforts and further solidify its crypto investment strategy. In another news, after a 9.8% drop in Bitcoin's value over the past week, investors are showing signs of caution, worried about the potential for further declines. Despite this, Japan-based Metaplanet has reaffirmed its confidence by buying nearly 620 Bitcoin. Interestingly, the latest acquisition marks its largest Bitcoin purchase till date, worth around $60.6 million. And this latest transaction brings Metaplanet's total Bitcoin holdings to 1,761.98 Bitcoin, which is valued at almost $168 million. Meanwhile, Canadian crypto firm Technologies announced a major shift in its capital preservation strategy this week, after its board of directors unanimously approved the addition of Bitcoin and USD-denominated assets to its corporate treasury. As part of its strategy, the company will make an initial $4.5 million allocation to Bitcoin in December 2024. It will also consider further acquisitions through measured buying programs. The firm also plans to transition the majority of its cash reserves from CAD to USD. Elsewhere, institutional investors now account for 31% of all known Bitcoin holders, reflecting a sharp increase from 14% in 2023. Well, the uptick has been largely driven by spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds, government acquisitions, and MicroStrategy's ramping up of its BTC strategy, which has seen its stash grow to over 440,000 Bitcoin. Governments hold 2.45% of Bitcoin's circulating supply, worth $49.36 billion. The US leads with 198,109 Bitcoin, worth $19 billion, largely seized from Silk Road. China holds 190,000 Bitcoin despite a crypto ban, and Bhutan mines 11,688 Bitcoin worth $1.12 billion, and El Salvador, embracing Bitcoin as legal tender, owns nearly 6,000 coins. In another interesting development, Russian Finance Minister Anton Siluanov revealed on Wednesday that domestic firms are now utilizing Bitcoin and other digital assets for international payments, which is enabled by recent legislative adjustments designed to offset Western sanctions. It is important to note that these sanctions have posed challenges to Russia's trade with significant partners such as China and Turkey, as local banks adopt a cautious approach to avoid regulatory backlash from the West. Meanwhile, the Russian government has extended its winter ban on local crypto mining operations to 6 years as energy consumption in the country rises to alarming levels. About a month ago, the government ordered crypto mining entities to pause their operations for the winter season. However, the ban has now been extended. According to a report from local media TASS, the Russian cabinet of ministers has banned crypto mining, including local participation in mining pools in select regions and territories from Jan 1, 2025 to March 15, 2031. In another significant development, SBI VC Trade, a crypto-focused subsidiary of Japan's financial giant SBI Holdings, is set to inherit the accounts and assets of beleaguered crypto exchange DMM Bitcoin. The transfer will take place on March 8, 2025, marking the culmination of DMM Bitcoin's liquidation process after a devastating $305 million hack in May 2024. And lastly, are you a Shiba Inu fan? Then this news is for you. As a Christmas gift, the team has finally launched Shiba Inu Metaverse. After months of waiting, users can now get early access to this new virtual world powered by Shibarium. Now that the platform is live, you can download the Metaverse to start your experience where you can design your own LAN or maybe something no one has ever thought of. You can also create personalized avatars and even host events. It is more than a virtual hangout, and the best part is that everything runs on Shibarium, a fast and efficient blockchain made for scalability. That's all in the weekly wrap. For more such updates, do log on to our website www.tweeversetv.io or scan the QR code. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off, and have a great weekend.